Let's see, which one? Nope, that's wrong. Maybe if I turn around. Oh, nope, that didn't help. Here we go. Ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna do some dancing. It's gonna get fancy in here. Oh, yeah. Dance with me, everybody. What's up? How y'all doing? I'm Vince. I'm making sure I'm not blowing out the mic. That's what the production team told me to do. Don't talk too loud, because you're mic'd up, son. We're here to learn some choreography. All right, we're in UMA, the beautiful UMA, Urban Movement Arts, Philadelphia, PA. And I'm Vince Johnson. Shout outs to all of the amazing hip hop dancers in Philadelphia. Philly is one of the dopest hip hop cities in the world. Y'all need to come here. Learn about all of the wonderful dancers here. All right, so let's get started with this basic choreography. This choreography is designed for you to just chill and groove. This is something that you could take to the club and not look like you're some sort of backup dancer, right? It's really just for you to integrate into the groove and feel yourself. And that's really the base and core of doing this style of dance. You gotta be inside your body, you gotta be making a relationship to the music, and it has to start simple, all right? So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna really deal with bounce concepts and grooves. Okay, let's start it out. Mariah Carey, step to the side. All right, here we go. I'm here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. I'm bending the knees, right? As I bend the knees, I have an arm come up. I go to the other side, and then I go twice to where I started, okay? So right now, I'm using my left arm. If you're mirroring me, you're using your right arm, okay? So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Let's look at that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice arms coming up, knees bending at the same time. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now check me. We're going to step out with my left leg. If you're mirroring me, you're right. So check it. And we're going to bend and push that arm out. It should be a rolling, soft, rounded movement. So it's boom. Bring it into your chest. That's where we're coming to. Boom. All right? We'll do that same thing on the other side. Boom. Bring it into the chest. All right? So remember, we should be able to put this in the pocket at the club. Let's look at it. So we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each of these movements we can isolate and just chill on them. I could be here, and nobody's going to think that I'm trying to show off, but I might attract somebody. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's keep it moving. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this point, we're going to do a cross step. And we're just going to make the arms kind of go like this, like we're rowing a boat. All right, for all of you rowers. We got University of Pennsylvania here. I know some of y'all are up in this drawing. I know y'all be rowing, doing crew. All right, strong shoulders, strong shoulders. Boom. Bend your knees. Boom. Bend your knees. That's the next part. So we're just doing like a little grapevine. Cross, uncross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross. You can walk up in the spot like that. Now, be careful with that, because at that point you're probably posing. Whenever you walk into a spot, you're like, yo, what's up, y'all? Too much. Too much. But once you get in the club and you're with your folks and you're in the pocket, boom, 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 boom. That's all you need, that cross step, right? Especially if you're on the boom cat, the beat. All right, so let's see how this works. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row your boat and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get some shoulder action and some lean action. Still grounded, still grooving, still dealing with moves that we can take out into the real world with us, all right? You don't just got to be your crazy dancer in your living room. So let's check it out. We're rolling back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I lean forward to pull the shoulder back. I send it back. I do the other side, the same thing. Lift it up, send it back. We're going to hit 2 back over on this side. Boom, boom. So we went lean back, but we have to go forward in order to go back, right? Boom, forward, just like that. So use your entire body. Check it. I'm working from the waist up. I'm using my legs, and I'm using my arms. So boom, 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 boom. Cross. All right? Now, that's pretty extreme. Throwing it up like that. Whenever your arms go up above your head when you're dancing, that sometimes means that you're serious. You're into something. All right. Expressing myself. So let's see it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay? Let's do it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Notice I've turned my body towards those arms. Why? Because I'm going to roll back this way. So I'm going to roll, 2, 3, 4. That last one, I'm really making sure to bend the knees. So I'm here, 2, 3, 4. Up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Patty Dukes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump both feet together lightly. 1. That should be delicate, not too hard. Now just chill here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm finding a groove by depressing the shoulders down the back, nice and soft, and bending into the ground. Okay? Let's do it from the top, everybody. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, y'all. So now I want to progress with it a little bit faster. Remember, oftentimes I like for people to mirror me so you can see me in this wonderful grill while learning the dance. So if I'm using my left hand, you use your right hand, and we'll be together forever. Okay, here we go. From the top, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! All right. One last time with me at that pace, and then let's try it with some music, y'all. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's dancing. Real chill, real easy, not too hard. We ain't backup dancers up in here. We just trying to get down with that groove. Let's do it with some music. Oh, that's just me trying to get on my music video status, you know what I'm saying? You know all the music video dudes would be up in there biting their lips. What's that for? People, do you like that? Does that get you biting the lips? And then here comes the dancer from the back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, let me cut that lip somehow. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Oh. I can do it. I can do it to the back. I can do it to the back. I'm back, y'all. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, let's do it facing away from y'all, all right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three.